The secret codes, the marigolds, the twisted subway lines, the cheap motels, the dinner bells, the buzzing neon signs. Once I had this dream that I was standing in Osaka. There was a geisha and a refugee. Deep down in her pocket there was a tarnished silver locket, and the picture frame had always been empty. She takes that refugee to town and keeps her eyes down on the ground, as if she's waiting for the earth to open up and pull the geisha and that man into the cauldrons of Japan, beneath the streets that only serve to keep the gravity in. I'll be right behind you, Josephine. I won't leave you waiting in between. And the cigarette you bummed from me is almost burning out. You suck it till your fingers burn, and then you throw it on the ground. I'll be right behind you, Josephine. Even after everything we've long empty spot in this old parking lot, with a six-pack of Mexican beer. Yeah, and you're finally here. And you're finally here. We sprawl on the hood and drink more than we should, and watch clouds in the distance. The captain of the football team, he's got the prom queen, but he's got no self-esteem, and he hides beneath the sheets while he cries himself to sleep. And that prom queen's got her own concerns. Yeah, the This house is full of stale air and the stench of kerosene. These windows ain't been open since the garden here was green. Yeah, for 3 months it's been snowing like a monochromic dream. And these dusty thoughts of you, they won't stop ripping at my seams. Maybe you're the medicine that I've been waiting for, but it seems to me the sickness might be better than the cure. Yeah, I'm always drawn to poison when it's sweet against my tongue. The sugar coating hides it while my body's going numb. So on the terrace by the flower bed, he waits the purple berries, extending down into the gate. From the garden gives a sign, and it begins a crimson army. It floods the sky with feathers flailing. east side bar. West side girl going to an east side bar. Well, no damn good can come of this. Those west side lips and an east side kiss. West side girl going to an east side bar. Well, tonight it's gonna all hang out. Someone's in without a doubt. When west side girl's going to an east side bar. She holds the fool's gold, and her face is to the wind. And she holds the fool's gold. Yeah, it's easy to pretend. Well, I was the guest of honor to watch the slaughter of peasants who had dared to try for freedom. With suits and dresses and priceless frescoes, I passed the marble halls to reach the banquet. The dukes and lords were gathered around a banquet fit for a king, with silver platters and grease-stained splatters. They held your weary soul to rest. Yeah, I will try to do my best to keep you safe inside this nest and keep the gravity from pulling you to earth. I'd like to say this gets more clear when it's more cloudy every day, but summer's gonna come and burn the stormy clouds and all the doubt away. Sleep, little girl, 'cause when you wake it's gonna be a different world. So close your eyes and say goodbye to spring. It's true, the spring is coming to an end. You're not that fragile anymore. I know what's there behind that door, and it's just waiting in the wings to pull you in. I know you think you're safe in here inside these insulated walls, but I can't hold this house together, not forever, yeah, and soon it's gonna fall. Sleep, little girl, 'cause when you wake it's gonna be a different world. Everything will change. Everything will change. This door's slamming shut. It's gonna catch you if you're ready or you're not. So close your eyes and say goodbye to spring. Slow down, 'cause winter's just around the bend. Don't make a sound, and close your eyes and say goodbye. different world. Everything will change. Everything will change. This door's slamming shut. It's gonna catch you if you're ready or you're not. So close your eyes and close your eye to spring. Sleep, little girl, 'cause when you wake it's gonna be a different world. Everything will change. Everything will change. This door's slamming shut. It's gonna catch you if you're ready or you're not. So close your eyes and say goodbye to spring. I don't wanna take a lot of space. I leave it for the angels who are plummeting from grace. I try not to breathe a lot of air in case there's someone out there gasping, 'cause there's not enough to spare. I'm just happy living in this dark